Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by clarifying what matters to you and why. This reduces the power of others' opinions. Once you list 1-2 core values, compare choices to those values and ask, does this serve me? Make a quick record of 3 moments you chased approval and note triggers. Then commit to a 10-minute daily reflection to rehearse independent responses. This first step shifts attention from outside validation to internal guidance, so you act from purpose rather than fear. Now you build muscle by practicing boundaries and cognitive reframing. Start using a pause phrase like, "I'll think on that," to avoid reflexive people-pleasing. It creates breathing room. Role-play saying no in 5 quick scenarios so refusal feels natural. When criticized, separate observable facts from your interpretation. Ask, "What is evidence?" and challenge catastrophic meanings. Once done, replace automatic approval seeking with questions that align choices. Finish by locking in routines that support independence. Track each day you act from values rather than others' expectations for 30 days, and reward progress with a private treat that reinforces autonomy. Make short weekly reviews to adjust strategies and keep wins visible. If you slip back into worrying, troubleshoot. Journal the trigger, the thought, and the alternative reply you could use next time. Then practice that reply aloud until it feels fluent. Repetition dissolves old habits and rebuilds your default response.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.